What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish with my lovely girl Allie. Obviously we gotta clean up the TSX. Weekly cleaning, especially even more now having 2 doggos and going out to parks and whatnot. I need to get something for the back seats. I know, don't crucify me right now. I'm gonna clean it up. Gosh damn, son. All the dirt, sand, hair. Yeah, your boy needs to get one of those tarp things for the back seats that hook up to the headrests or whatever, because we got to keep it a little bit more clean than that, and then get a daily for the daily sign with more space eventually. We're gonna be using this foam cannon from Tsx that I got from a gift from my boo. It attaches to the garden hose, so we're gonna try it out after cleaning up the inside, because that's my main focus right now, because that really needs to be clean. Get into that, probably got to eat pretty soon after that, and really want to get down into this. I really gotta fucking tackle this, y'all. I've been like saying this, and I'm just tired of talking about it. I just gotta do. It's been so hard to find the motivation sometimes after work, and it gets dark and cold, yada yada, and rains, and just a bunch of excuses. Get back onto this shit. Get the fucking underbody done, and we could tackle the rest of this engine bay and stuff, and just get it done, bro. See all the ripping, there's a hole right there, a hole right there, but I also feel like it's due to the dog's paws and shit, so. Y'all, just look at the difference already. This is, gets tougher and tougher each time with these doggos, man. So we gotta find better solutions. Alrighty, y'all, now that we got the Batmobile all cleaned up on the inside, see at the shift knob looking a lot less dusty crusty. See the rear. Ooh, big change, looks much better. So yeah, just more of upkeep, and we're gonna be looking on Amazon right now for something for the rear seat to cover it, black tarp kind of thing basically. Now it's time to wash the car, and then we're gonna go start another video about the rear sway bar, progress rear sway bar. I'm gonna go to some parking lot, do some like, you know, hard turns. Gonna stiffen up the chassis and make turning so much better and smoother. Definitely gotta clean this up, tape off where we're gonna not touch things, and then go from there. Don't mind this wall of mess. Gonna finally go ahead and use this foam cannon, Valorant or Overwatch kind of gun you'd have. We got the cannon soap from Tsx here as well. And then it comes with a little bottle cap thing, so we're gonna fill this up. I just want to add in, Honey and Sky have been doing so well together. Couldn't ask for a better outcome with them too, so super stoked about that. I don't know how much of this shit you're supposed to use. Pretty cool. And it helps run things down if you got any, you know, pre-game dust and dirt. Helps get things all soaped up. It's grape soda. Yeah, drink this shit. Why'd they do that, man? It makes you just enticed to go buy some grape soda or something. Is this a marketing scheme? Are they partnered with other companies? Got our 2 buckets right here. You know the vibes. Finishing this shit up. You already know, man. Let's get it done. Yeah. What is going on, guys? We are back, and now we are working on the white TSX. We are finally trying to put in some steps and make some progress. Been sitting here a little bit with this base metal sitting, so I had to Coming here with the wire wheel along with my girl that, you know, she's back inside now. She did the other side. And there's like a little bit of spots, like still there, but the Osfo should take care of that. But yeah, we had to go in here and wire wheel it down again, clean that up, and get that all prepped, get this show on the road. I'll come here with Osfo and touch up a lot of these base metal spots, crevices and whatnot. Let it dry for like 24 hours. And after we put on the Osfo and let it sit for 24 hours, we're gonna have to come back in and sand it or like wire wheel it again to get the crustiness off. Got to grind down right here still. That seems about good. Now it's time to clean it. So yeah, update y'all. That's what I'm doing, cleaning, then putting on the Osfo.
It's me, Mario.
Now that we have everything cleaned up, we're gonna put on this Osfo stuff. And this helps like just coat the rust and kind of puts it into like a prime state. We get this done and then we gotta go inside because it's already 9 p.m. So little by little, but we are starting today and making fucking progress. Let me know what you guys think I should do with the subframe. Is it possible to DIY it? Because I already have it scuffed up and edge primed. Pretty sure, you know, to powder coat it, you're gonna have to remove those bushings or whatever because you can't bake the rubber. But let me know if you guys think we should do that or we could DIY rattle can it kind of way. Or is that like not good because it's gonna chip too much? Let me know what you guys think. A lot of the seam areas, a lot of moisture and kind of rust likes to build up there. Rust seemingly likes to sit around there. Just like over here.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.